All right, we're at a neighbor's house here, and it says he has a system with zoning, and there's something going on with that. And this house was not one of the ones we were allowed to play in when we were kids. This family let you play outside, not inside. That house over there, we used to have a big time there playing kick the can and everything else. This one they didn't let us in, so I've actually never been in this house. Been around it and played in the yard for basically over 50 years, but I've never been in. So we're going in through the basement to where the furnace and the board and all the dampers are, and I'm going to try to figure out why one of the dampers is not working or opening or something. It's dark out here. He said go to the last door. So that's what. Okay. Walking around in the dark in here in a house I've never been in before. There we go. Zone panel of some type. Bryant furnace. Boy, that thing is probably original. Electro Air, division of Emerson Electric. It's in the return. So it's definitely some kind of air cleaner. Dang if I ever seen anything like that. All right. So one of these zones is not working. And it's this one. Look what they did. They had to cut it open to figure out if the damper is open or not. Gotta be kidding me. Boy. Takes all kinds. Yep, zone 1, bedroom, so that's the one he was telling me is not opening. And open, close. So the red is open, or I'm sorry, the red is closed, the green is open, so this white will be the common. Can't believe they cut a hole in it so they could tell if it was working or not. Equipment controller module. Pretty neat looking panel. Even if it doesn't work, and I guess this is actually a carrier panel, isn't it? Yep. All right, let's go hit the thermostats. He said the dog's name's Pepper and that she wouldn't bite. I guess we're gonna find out. Pepper. Pepper, where are you at? Come here. Come here, Pepper. Come on. Pepper. Come on. Come on. Well, maybe not. Okay, one zone said kitchen, the other said bedroom. Let's go to the master bedroom. Should be this big one. All right. So we're on zone 2 right now. Not really familiar. Next zone. Zone 3, 4. Zone 1 is off. So let's go to heat. Dang, they got it all the way down. Is it gonna quit flashing? There it goes. All right, we've got zone 1. Now let's go to zone 2. Let's put it up to 75. So at least we got 2 of them running. If it quits flashing. Okay. Zone 3 is satisfied at 68. Zone 4 is satisfied. It's only set to 66. Zone 1, 75, and it's 69. So we should be getting voltage to zone 1 and zone 2. All right. I think we're gonna leave Pepper alone. She's already decided she doesn't like me. And I hear the furnace firing up. Okay. So I'm going to take readings here and there. Yep, zone 1 is bedroom. So I wasn't backwards, or I was backwards, they're not backwards. And zone 2 is kitchen. So I turned on 1 and 2. Let's read them. Okay, we're getting air coming out of their hole they cut. And the damper has opened. And all we did was open these and fiddle with it. I don't think it was nothing to do with that. But the damper has opened now. Before they run air conditioning, seal this back up. It'll sweat. See if we can find the other zones and what they're doing. They should be off. Zone 4 basement. And this over here should be zone 3. Looks like the cover's gone. Okay, so that one's got its stop set. I wonder if the other one does too. It's closed. And look at where it goes. Underground duct. Boy, I remember that old paper. That is 60s. Tar paper, we used to call it. Apparently. Yep, there they are. I call it underground ducting. It's in the slab. And it is not blowing. So it appears now that it's working correctly. All right, so here's what we have determined. The homeowner and the heating and air man, as he called him, that cut this. So you can see the damper right there. So you can see that it's open. And there went the burner cycling again. I'm gonna guess this discharge air temperature sensor is getting really hot because there's only 2 zones calling. Maybe I should have cut them all 4 on. But as I was saying, the homeowner and whoever the heating and air guy was that was here, they cut that hole so they could see the damper, and I can see it open right here. I mean, you can, this is a mechanical damper. They're very, very simple electronic motor on it, but okay, there it comes back on. I don't know if it was overheated or what happened, but it wasn't coming back on for about 10 minutes there. Okay, something just told me to open this thing and look. I wonder how many years this has been in there and nobody knew about it. Bunch more air coming out of there now. Let's go check the bedroom. Sure hope I didn't run around in circles 45 minutes over a filter. Yeah. Pouring out of there now. Good Lord. Yep. Once again, learn the lesson. Always look for the simple stuff first.